Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to resolve an issue with turning on or off your Bluetooth feature on your Windows 10 or your Windows 11 PC. So let's get straight into it. First off, I want to click on the Start button, select Settings, and then in the Settings area, I want to select the devices, select Bluetooth and other devices, and then over here, usually when your Bluetooth feature is working or when your Bluetooth device is working on your PC, you would get a radio button here where you can toggle on or off to turn your Bluetooth feature on or off on your PC. But you can see that there's no such radio button here. So we're going to look at how to make sure the radio button reappear over here so that we can turn the Bluetooth on or off. So first off, you want to select or click in the search box and then type device manager. Click on the device manager app, and then in the device manager window you will see a list of devices that are in your computer. Or so under Bluetooth, you can see that we have the Bluetooth device right there, the Intel wireless Bluetooth. You can see a black arrow pointing down on the Bluetooth device, which indicates that the Bluetooth device is disabled. So all you need to do is to right click on the device and then select the enable device. When you enable the device, we can see that the black arrow pointing down has disappeared from the device. But other times when you go into the device manager and you expand the Bluetooth device, you would realize that the Bluetooth device is actually not disabled, and then the radio button in the settings area will still not be there. So just right click on the Bluetooth device, disable it, click yes on the prompt, and then go ahead and then re-enable it by right clicking and then selecting the enable button. And this should also help you to resolve that issue. If that doesn't still help, right click on the Bluetooth device and then click the uninstall option. Click yes, uninstall. That would uninstall the Bluetooth device from your PC, and then just right click on this area, select that and click the scan for hardware changes. This would reinstall the Bluetooth device in your device manager for you, and so the Bluetooth should work. If that still doesn't work for you, find your Bluetooth device. In this case, it's this one. Right click on it and then select the update driver. Click the search automatically for drivers, and then automatically Windows would install the updated version of your Bluetooth devices drivers for you. If the drivers are already, the updated version is already installed, you will be given a notice that the latest version of the driver is already installed. So these couple of steps should help you to fix your issue with the Bluetooth device. So all you need to do is to close the device manager window, and then you can see the radio button has reappeared. So now you can toggle it on to turn on your Bluetooth so that you can connect your devices, your Bluetooth devices, to your Windows PC, your Windows 10, your Windows 11 PC. When you're done using the Bluetooth, you can always turn them off by toggling the radio button to turn it off. So yes guys, kindly subscribe, like and share the video for more videos, and then I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.